Welcome to Texas Honda Channel. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button, hit that like button, and turn that bell icon on to get notified of every upload. So today we are at Bill's Muffler here in Copperas Cove, and they're going to be welding up some Hart exhaust tips on my wife's MDX. So this was kind of a last minute video, so I'm recording on my phone. Sorry about the shakiness. This is an old iPhone 6S, so yeah. So we're basically just going to be getting these Hart exhaust tips welded up. She has dual exhaust on here, so we have two of them. I will leave a link in the description for these ones that I got right here. They're a little smaller than I expected, but it's kind of my fault for not reading the diameter size, but they're going to make them work anyways. So yeah, once Jacob gets a clear spot over there in the bay, we will get these welded up, and hopefully it looks good. But my wife really likes the idea, so we're going with it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. My wife's totally gonna kill me. It was just supposed to be the tips, but the mufflers have to be cut off, so hope she's not too mad. Alright, so there they are. It says quiet flow. And not no more. Okay, it sounds really good. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little gas real quick. We're leaving now. It actually sounds awesome. All right, so this is what it sounds like while cruising. Going about 20. It's really quiet. It sounds pretty much stock while cruising. When you give it some gas, there's a little sound. When we roll the window down, you can hear it just a little bit better. But otherwise, it's pretty quiet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on it here in just a moment, and we'll see how it sounds with fully flooring it. All right, this is with the window down. Definitely not very loud at all. I think she's really gonna like it. She didn't want it too loud or anything like that, so she should be pretty happy. I would get her reaction on camera, but she doesn't like being on camera. But yeah, definitely sounds awesome. We'll go over more when we get back to the house. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. All right, so I think it's a success. They look really good on there, and I already got compliments on it. So I'm pretty sure all the girls are gonna think this is just so cute with these exhaust tips. But my wife really likes how it looks. Now we did order the smaller ones. I thought these were gonna be the bigger ones, but I went back and read the description. I ended up ordering the wrong ones, but these ones are gonna be linked in the description. They're 2-inch. Now they do sell bigger ones like 3-inch and 2.5-inch, stuff like that. But just make sure to read the description well, learn from my mistake. But it still looks really good and it sounds really awesome. Now my wife does want me to paint the rose gold we did on the Acura emblem and on the wheels. She wants the tips like that. And the paint is a high heat paint, so we're gonna probably do that at some point. But I think it looks really good. And definitely gonna do more stuff to the MDX in the near future if God is willing. We're still waiting on the subscriber to come get this EF. He will be here 5th or 6th of August, so coming up soon. It's basically ready for him to trailer home. He's gonna be using his dad's truck, trailer in that home. And then we can start focusing on these vehicles again until we get other cars to bless others with. So we're just taking it one car at a time and doing our best. But I hope you guys enjoyed this last minute video. Sorry again about the shakiness. It is on my iPhone 6S. And I just wanted to get you guys a video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. But that's basically it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. And as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.